Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain about the REST API thing in the .NET. The REST API thing is will work in the every environment, not only in the .NET. It will work in the Node in other languages also. So the main what is let's see the what is the meaning of REST APIs? REST APIs. REST is nothing but a representational state transfer. So this is why we are using the REST APIs means so let's take it is used for transfer the data from server to the client. So server to client in a particular format. It will transfer the data from server to client in a particular format. What is that format? In a JSON format. JSON is nothing but a JavaScript object notation. So it's look like a key value pairs. It's like our brace and one key and value. So here in the one more thing I would like to explain to you, guys. JSON is a one particular format, data format, and one more thing, one object is there. Object also it's look like a key value pairs. So why we are using this JSON means so the objects look like a same thing like store braces and one key and one value for that particular. So what is the main difference between them? So it is a one of the language. It is a one of the data format in make the data in a particular structure. Okay, while passing to one server to another server. It's like here we are passing the data to network, one server to client with help of the REST APIs. Okay, REST APIs. So that is the main thing we have to use in the JSON concepts. And one more difference is there. Like JSON, the key and values are in the string format. Okay, na? But in the object, the key is not in the string format. Directly you can write like for example name value is something. You can write like in the object we can write like this, but in the JSON we have to write like name, sorry, lower basis name and Santosh. This is the value. So this is the main difference. In the object, the key is not in a not cannot use these codes, but in the JSON, you have to use the codes. So that is the main difference between the JSON and object. Yeah. Let's go to REST APIs. Yeah. REST APIs is nothing but transfer the data from server to one platform to another platform. That is the main thing to use this REST APIs. Not only in the .NET, we can use in the any other technologies also, like Node.js, and .NET Web APIs, .NET. In that all technologies, we have to use the REST APIs. There is another thing also is that SOAP thing. That is also another concept to transfer the data from one server to client in the particular format. Not only in the server to client, server to server also pass the data in a particular format. We can use the REST and the SOAP. So nowadays, most of the people prefer these REST APIs to transfer the data from one platform to another platform in a particular format. They will prefer the REST APIs. That's it, guys. That's the concept today. So I hope all are understood the concept of the REST APIs. So thank you for watching this video.